Next is question number 4. Write the following sets in set builder form. Section 1. Set of 3, 6, 9, 12. Solution. The elements of the given set are 3, 6, 9, and 12. All of these elements are multiple of 3. Where 3 into 1 gives us 3. 3 into 2 gives us 6. 3 into 3 gives us 9. And 3 into 4 gives us 12. So, we can represent the elements of this set using general formula 3n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, we can write set of 3, 6, 9, 12 is equal to set of 3n such that n is a natural number and n is less than or equal to 4. Next is section 2 of question 4. Set of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Solution. The elements of given set are 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. You can notice that each of these elements are powers of 2. That is, 2 raised to 1 gives us 2. 2 raised to 2 gives us 4. 2 raised to 3 gives us 8. 2 raised to 4 gives us 16. And 2 raised to 5 gives us 32. This means we can represent the elements of this set using the general formula 2 raised to n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, we can write set of 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 is equal to set of 2 raised to n, where n is a natural number and n is less than or equal to 5. Next is section 3 of question 4. Set of 5, 25, 125, 625. Solution. The elements of the given set are 5, 25, 125, and 625. You can see that all these elements are powers of 5. That is, 5 raised to 1 gives us 5. 5 raised to 2 gives us 25. 5 raised to 3 gives us 125. And 5 raised to 4 gives us 625. This means we can represent the elements of this set using the general formula 5 raised to n, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, we can write set of 5, 25, 125, 625 is equal to set of 5 raised to n, where n is a natural number and n is less than or equal to 4. Next is section 4 of question 4. Set of 2, 4, 6, etc. Solution. The given set in the question is set of 2, 4, 6, etc. By observing the pattern of this set, we can understand that it is the collection of even natural numbers. Therefore we can write set of 2, 4, 6 is equal to set of x such that x is an even natural number. Next is section 5 of question 4. Set of 1, 4, 9, etc. up to 100. Solution. The elements of the given set are 1, 4, 9, etc. up to 100. By observing the pattern, we can understand that it is the collection of squares of natural numbers up to 10. That is, square of 1 is 1. Square of 2 is 4. Square of 3 is 9. Etc. Square of 10 is 100. That is, we can represent the elements of the given set using the general formula n square, where n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Therefore, we can write set of 1, 4, 9, etc. up to 100 is equal to set of n square, such that n is a natural number and n is less than or equal to 10.